Welcome to day 4 of 30 days of AI coding challenge. Yesterday we streamed AI responses live on the screen. Today we are going to enable the cache for faster response. We will build the app that calls the Snowflake Cortex LLM, for example Claude, and get a response, and also will see the time, right? How long it take for the whole request to complete. We'll see how we use this cache, and if we give the same response second time, it really gives the response and the output in microseconds. The idea is that you need to understand how to use the cache in your app. This is Sudeep Kumar, data engineering career mentor and author. If you want to see more of my video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel, and do share with your friends. Let's start with the demo. Cool. So this is the app for the day 4. So this is about caching. Okay, let's suppose we give the prompt. In the backend, it will use the Claude LLM model and give the output. If we submit, you see it's showing the spinner, it's running, and here's the output. Okay, please make sure you note down the timing, right? Here the timing is 5 seconds. It took 5 seconds to read the prompt, process it, and share the response on the screen. Okay, now how can we make use of the cache? So let's suppose we give the same prompt again. All right, we don't make a change in the prompt. Let's see how it, oh my God, it gives the same result, and it took 0.00 seconds. It means it read the results which are stored in the cache. Okay, so these are the things. This is how cache works. Okay, we'll definitely move to the code walkthrough and understand how these things work. So let's start with the code walkthrough for day 4. So in this link, you can open for the day 4. Okay, and you see, let's understand what the code looks like. Additional libraries and functions that you need to import is this JSON. I think it's already, if not there in the previous day, you need to import that. We are using AI complete function, and to do the LLM call, change the title. This is the connectivity. What is the additional thing? This is a Streamlit Decorator, right? We use this to give instructions to the app, to the this LLM code, is that you can definitely store the result in the memory. This is the instructions we are giving to the app. Okay, this is the additional thing, and this you already know. This is simply calling the LLM function using the AI complete and just showing the response in the JSON flatten format. Cool. And this is just a text input. Okay, this is the text input. Okay, this is the code for that. And on the click of the submit, they are doing they're definitely calling this function, right? Calling the LLM, and by providing the prompt to that, but they're also mentioning the start and the end time. Okay, so you see they are tracking before calling and after calling, after the result came, what's the time, and they're just mentioning the difference, that this call took this much seconds. Okay, and definitely the captions updated. All right, so you can also see the instructions in the mentioned below, right? So these are the additional things from day 3 to day 4. Okay, so if you are really following the challenge every day and following this video, it will really easy for you now to learn every day, because we are learning one thing at a time daily, right? So if you are directly watching this video, make sure you start the challenge on the day 1. Okay, and see the day 1 video. Cool. So now let's understand how we should build it. actually and do the practical. So you can go through day 3, just click on duplicate and duplicate the app, and it will show like this. Just copy the code uh, from this portal. We have 2 files, right? No need to change environment.yaml. Just click on this, update this, and run this. Okay. If I click on this, let's test it quickly. Okay, so let's submit it again. 5.45 second. Now it took 0.00 second, right? Please make sure you import this function and JSON function and the time function, right? And if definitely you are copying the code from the portal, you don't need to worry about that. But this could be one of the mistake if you type it manually and just to do more hands, right? So make sure you import all these important functions. So today we learned about how we build an app that really calls Snowflake Cortex LLM. We build the app which really run fast for the same prompt and by using this cache functionality, right? So make sure you build your own app, provide your own prompt, and comment done once it's completed for the day 4 challenge, right? Tomorrow, we will learn about how to build a LinkedIn post and reader AI app. So I really can't wait to see that. So let's meet tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.